Hi everybody, I'm Kylan. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Wasserstein Solar Panel for the Google Nest Cam. It's got a 13-foot cable and a 360-degree mount, but let's open this up and take a look at it. So if you lay this down and open it up nice and safe, we've got some instructions. We've got the panel itself with the cord fully attached to it. And the great thing is that's a 13-foot cord. So if you need to go up a little bit higher or further away from your camera to get perfect sunlight, you can do that. This is that 360-degree mount, so you can mount it any which way you would need to on the side of your home, and it moves very easily. You've got some mounting hardware and clips, and then we even have some sticky pads here in case you don't want to put screws in the side of your home. So now that we've got everything out, we've got these super easy instructions on how to set everything up. But then if you take a look at this solar panel, this thing is absolutely amazing. It's some of the newest panels they have. It's extremely, extremely thin. This should keep your camera, if it's set up in a lot of areas, charged very, very well. Again, you've got a 13-foot cord already attached, so very water resistant. The other thing that I love about having a solar panel attached to my cameras is that I have one attached to the shed in my backyard, so I can keep an eye on all of my possessions, and I don't even have power out there. And this allows me to do that. So that wraps up our look at the Wasserstein Solar Panel for the Google Nest Cam. My name is Kylan. If you'd like some more information about this product, please click the link below. Until next time.